How y'all doing? Kevdrives here. There's some things I want to talk to you guys about. I deleted my Instagram account at 53,000 followers. Been building it since 2023 in August. That's when my first video blew up. And it's just been going up and up and there, from there. Obviously, it has its moments where it goes up and it goes down and goes up. But for the most part, it's been up. The reason why I deleted it at 53,000, not just because of the number, but really just because it's just, I was just so into it, like so into it, and I felt like it just wasn't doing much for me, like mentally, mostly, just because like it's just, I mean, I got so into it, like I treat it like a freaking business, but like it didn't feel like, like I wasn't making nothing out of it. Honestly, it's just really because my health, bro. Like I was just so into it and everything. I just felt like the weight on me and everything, and I was posting constantly, and then, I wasn't able to get content because, the car issues with the car and everything like that, money and all that stuff, and like I wasn't able to, keep up. And I just kept recycle some content, and I don't like recycling content. Like I hate it because like I want to always post something new because I get bored of it. I get bored of posting my own, like reposting the same stuff. I get bored of that. So it's like, Instagram for me was just too much. I mean, YouTube isn't bad. YouTube is nice because like, I mean, I'm not, you don't have to post all the time, but then you gotta stay consistent weekly. But I mean, it's not that, like, I feel like Instagram is more demanding, you know what I mean? YouTube just feels a lot better. But like, I'm not deleting the YouTube channel. I'm keeping with it. I'm just gonna stick to it. You guys are gonna see the whole journey and everything like that. Yeah, I got into an accident, but yeah, it's getting hot as heck. It's hot as heck. It's like 100 degrees right now, and I'm out here. But I just wanted to talk to you guys about that, man, because there's more to life than this stuff, bro. There's more to life. Like, honestly, I realized I was just so into this stuff that like I just lost sight of everything else. You know what I mean? Like my relationship and everything. You feel me? Like everything. Like I was freaking delusional, man. I was freaking thinking like, oh my gosh, YouTube's gonna blow up, Instagram's gonna blow up, I'm gonna be making money. Like no. No. Yeah, I was putting work in, making videos for everybody and everything, but it wasn't like I wasn't investing in myself, you feel me? So like, what I changed now, I deleted Instagram like 3 days ago. And honestly, I've been feeling so much better. Like I feel freaking, feels like the weight has just been lifted off of my shoulders. I feel like I can fly high. My mood has been a whole 360, bro. Whole 360. My mood is a lot better. I'm so much happier now. I'm so much happier. I'm smiling, when I'm at work now, and I'm like, enthusiastic. Like it just feels good. And I started my own detailing business, and I'm starting that now. I'm investing in myself, and I'm gonna bust my ass and work hard. But like I said, I've been listening to motivational stuff too, man. Like Eric Thomas and all these motivational speakers. Eric Thomas, David Goggins, freaking Denzel Washington, bro. Like, and that's been helping me a lot lately. I remember I used to do that back in the day, and then I actually got myself together, but then honestly I fell back down. But I'm down right now, but I'm going up now, I'm going up. I'm changing things, and for the better. I feel good. I feel really good about myself. I've been going to the gym like almost every day. I gained like 13 pounds. I was at 160 2 months ago, and I'm at 173. So like I'm getting there, y'all. I'm getting there. You want to focus, like invest in yourself, man. Love yourself. Stop people pleasing. Don't do that shit, bro. Don't do that. You don't need to do that. Just be yourself, be your authentic self, and just shoot, bro. Love yourself, just love yourself, bro. Because if you love yourself, if you can love yourself, you can love others. You know what I mean? If you can't love yourself, you won't be able to love others. I learned a lot, man. A lot. I'm freaking sweating. All this freaking lotion's coming out of me. But yeah, as you can see, I'm in my freaking work clothes. I go to work after this. yeah, I'll just give you guys an update. I deleted the Instagram account. I'm no longer on Instagram anymore. I'll be posting my content on YouTube. So yeah, YouTube Shorts, you know, YouTube long form. I don't know if I'll ever go back on Instagram, honestly. And honestly, I don't even know, because I have a gym page on TikTok, I have a gym page on Instagram, and I have my detailing page on it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep up with it. I don't know, man. I honestly, like, I feel like word of mouth is a lot better, to be honest. This YouTube stuff is nice, it's fun, because I get to post my long form videos for you guys, and like long form drifting, like, you know, drift sessions and stuff like that. I love that. My situation right now, I don't think I'll be able to do that I won't be able to do that anytime soon. I'm trying to get myself together, but if it rains, I will definitely try to get you guys like a drifting, long form drifting video, a longer one than last time, because I still want to test this out, man. This freaking steering rack, I need to get an alignment. I still need to get an alignment. My alignment is freaking cooked right now. My front tire is about to wear out. But yeah, Kevdrives is still here, but doing something a little different. So yeah, if you want to catch me, you're not gonna catch me on Instagram, you're gonna catch me on here. So subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know your struggles, you know, if you open to that. Man, I struggle. Shoot, man, I struggle. I've been struggling. I'll tell you that. I've been struggling, and I'm just grateful. I'm grateful for everything, bro. I'm grateful for Kara. I'm grateful for my mom, my dad, my sister, family, my friends. Oh my gosh, bro. Like, they're all my family, bro. Like, my friends are my family, you know. My family's my family, and Kara's love of my life, bro. Like, I'm trying to do better for her, really, you know. You want to do it for yourself, you know, but you know, you got to have a why. Just like every time I say, you got to have a why. My why is because I want to be with this woman for the rest of my life, and I want to have a family with her. I want to marry her. So that's my why. It's for her. Kara Allison Hefner, my baby. But yeah, yeah, guys, stay tuned. Next video, I don't know what it's gonna be. I do have the wrap, but as you see, my front end's all messed up, so I'm not sure. I'm trying to find a better job. I'm also trying to, you know, build this not YouTube channel, build this freaking detailing business. But I might need some wider fenders, bro. I don't got money for that, so yeah. Yo, wait, look at this. Look at this. Bash bar's all messed up. Bro, that Volvo pump ain't going nowhere. CK Auto Works, check them out. But yeah, guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. As you can see, my tire wear is freaking horrendous. You can probably see it better on this side, actually. Look at that. And I took camber out. I gotta get this thing aligned, bro. And look at the damage on the bash bar. See it? So, crash bar. This thing got bent up a little bit. Yeah. This car is eventually, man. Honestly, this car is gonna be the freaking track car in the future. I'm gonna take it all apart, cage it. This is gonna be a PP2 freaking track car. But that'll be in the future. Don't know when, but sometime in the future. But this Kevdrives here. Peace.
Baby, this year's my year. I'm not here to play it fair.